Hi, I am Zulkanan. Today I will discuss about multipole automatic valve. This valve its function is automatic service, backwash and rinse. Now this valve is not working properly. I open this valve and check all components one by one. At last, I see one of the parts is not working, that is DC gear motor. This motor have 12 volt DC and 13 RPM. This gear section is not working properly. I share some information about automatic valve. This is big gear and small gear, and second is small gear. This is indication of the motor movement and location. This handle control valve. This is screw, LCD jack and main controller of the valve. This is a feedback strip, LCD, and show you where location your valve. This part is feedback, it means encoder. This is a gear motor. This is a DC servo motor and this is a gear. LCD holder. This is a body mechanical valve.